So first off, I just want to thank Moto Labs for putting this event together and allowing us to come here and share our experience with Kurogo. So I'm Juan Tellez, and I'm the Business Development Manager with the Digital Media Technologies Department at UBC. And I work with Phil Chatterton, who I'm sure many of you know. He's the Director of Digital Media at UBC, and he's going to join the panel, I believe, this afternoon through video conference. And so basically just a little bit about UBC. We're a large research university based out of Vancouver. We have about 60,000 students across 3 campuses, and about 90% of our faculty, staff, and students are on smart devices. And so how this actually got started was through a mobile environmental scan that we carried out on campus, and it was about 1,000 surveys and one-on-one interviews, and it was basically to do a very user-centric approach to identify the real values of what an integrated and unified mobile strategy could do for our campus. And so the report from that environmental scan was sent to our different governance committees. And so I just want to highlight that, because without our governance model, I don't think we really could have enjoyed the success that we have so far. And so basically we have 3 different levels relevant to our mobile strategy. And so at the top, we have our IT executive team, which is comprised of our university president, our provost, our registrar, 5 deans, and our CIO. So obviously it's really helpful to have those group of people together in one room making decisions. Reporting to them, we have our digital channels governance committee, which is 15 different directors from different faculties across the campus. And reporting to that group, we have an IT, more so ad hoc working group, which is about 20 or more developers on mobile and technology people. And so amongst those different committees, we obviously selected Kurogo as our platform, and we were very keen in partnering with them to develop our different modules. And so fast forward until last fall, and we launched with 16 different modules and had an overwhelmingly positive experience with our students. We reached about 10,000 students within the first month and continue to enjoy a really healthy adoption rate. So just to wrap things up, I just want to mention some of the more creative ways that we're trying to use the platform to drive innovation on our campus. And so what we've done is we've reached out to our research community. And so there's a research center called Magic Labs, which does multidisciplinary digital media research on our campus. And so with them, we developed a sustainability app that allows you to track your footprint and become a bit more ecologically friendly. And so that was sort of exciting and one of the first in the world. They also helped us organize a mobile competition on our campus, which encouraged entries from different faculty, staff members, and students. And so really we're trying to do sort of something similar to what Moto Labs is doing in opening up the platform to our community rather than IT owning this, because obviously the crowdsourcing the ideas is just really inspiring and seeing what can be developed on the platform. And then so just to finish off, to list a couple of the things that we're working on. So we're currently building a virtual tours module. We're enhancing our dual campus mode on our applications, which is pretty exciting. We're doing LMS integration, real-time bus data, upgrading our library module, and then finding interesting ways to filter our events for our news. So are there any questions at this point? Yes.
Are you SaaS or are you on-premise?
On-premise. Yeah.
Is the sustainability app available in the community?
Yes. It's actually authenticated to use it, but you can certainly go on there and sort of read about it. So if you want to follow up afterwards, I'm happy to show that to you.
Actually, I think we're just having a slight technical problem, so let me just forward the screen.
Sure.
And just show everyone some of these other additional screenshots.
Yeah.
So you want to just speak very briefly about that?
Oh, yeah, sure. So this here is our current bus stops map, and so we're also working to integrate some JavaScript on this to have the real GPS live data, and then.
You have to kind of press this button.
Okay, thanks. So we've also leveraged the video application module, and then we also launched our mobile web tablet interface. So I think that's That's about it for us.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.